Hi, my name is Julia and I welcome you on my Truffle kitchen. Today we're going to cook an Italian dish with an American twist. Pasta shells stuffed with shrimp, ricotta and spinach. Let's get cooking! Before we start cooking, please check out the description for the amount of all the necessary ingredients. We start our process by boiling 2 liters of water. Preheat oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the water to a large pan and add 1 teaspoon of salt and let it start boiling. Carefully place pasta shells into the boiling water. We will need around 18 for a 12 by 8 inch baking dish, but boil a few extra in case some break. Stir the pasta to prevent shells sticking to each other and to the bottom of the pan. Cook to al dente according to the instructions on the packaging. Meanwhile, peel and chop 3 garlic cloves and a bunch of dill. Transfer everything to a big bowl and add ricotta cheese and spinach. Add all the spices and grate zest of 1 lemon. Mix everything well and add grated Parmesan cheese. Stir everything one more time. By this time, our pasta shells should be just ready. Strain the water and give it a rinse with cold water for faster cooling. Pour Italian strained tomatoes into the baking dish and add 1 cup of cream. I use American half by half, which is a very light cream to reduce the calories. Now it's time to add spices and a few basil leaves. Stir the sauce well and let's start to stuff the shells. Place 1 or 2 shrimps inside a pasta shell and stuff with the ricotta mixture to the full. Add another shrimp on top for the extra fancy look. Cover the baking dish. I don't like foil getting in contact with the food, so I use parchment paper as a layer in between. Our pasta shells are ready to be baked. Send them to the preheated oven for 30 minutes. When 30 minutes are up, uncover the dish, sprinkle a few tablespoons of Parmesan on top and broil on high for 5 minutes until golden brown on top. Alright, it looks delicious. I hope you guys enjoy your meal. I definitely will enjoy mine. Thank you for cooking with me and I'll see you on my channel next time.